grilled avocado with ponzu and wasabi. Hey Yaki Gang, Yakitori guy here. Welcome back to another Rapid Yaki Lesson, where my goal is to show you a side item you can cook with your yakitori skewers in a video that's 5 minutes or less. And today we'll be grilling this avocado. For this dish, you're gonna want a ripe avocado, some wasabi, and ponzu. If you don't have ponzu, you can combine 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, teaspoon sugar, and lemon or lime. In this case, I'm using half a lime. Take your avocado, in half, get the seed out. And put it on your grill. To bring out the umami, let's go ahead and spray on some sake. So when it's bubbling like this, pushing itself out, it's pretty much good to go. This on the plate. Some ponzu right in the center. Wasabi. And we are done. Grilled avocado with ponzu and wasabi. Creamy, tangy citrus with the ponzu. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed today's Rapid Yaki lesson on the grilled avocados. Hope to have more of these rapid lessons as well as longer videos, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye guys.